Hello friends, today I came with my new video on Nag Tibba adventurous track trip. So guys, I will tell you how you can go, where to visit, where to stay, food all in cheap prices. So let's start with Travel with Solo. It was my birthday trip. I started my journey from Delhi to Dehradun, and from Dehradun bus stand took the bus to reach Nainbagh, and from Nainbagh to Pantwari by shared taxi that you can all check in description box. And from Dehradun I started my journey in 6 am in the morning. And finally reached Nainbagh. Here I took the breakfast. And from Nainbagh to Pantwari, I took the shared taxi. And finally, I reached the Pantwari village. Here I have booked in advance God trekking and tent center. It has provided camping, food and guide for 2 days in just 11,000 rupees. On my first day, I went for Pantwari to reach base camp in 11 am in the morning. And I finally reached the base camp. It is located in the goat village. And very nice view from here, as you can see. Visited farmhouse in Goat village. It was very beautiful and enjoyed noodles here. And in the evening, I enjoyed the sunset viewpoint from my base campsite. And in the evening, I enjoyed the bonfire party in lieu of my birthday. So guys, on my next day, I started my trek to reach Nag Tibba peak in 3 am in the morning. And finally I reached the Nag Tibba peak, which is altitude of 9914 feet above from sea level. And here I reached the summit point. For sunrise from summit point in 6 am in the morning. It looks very gorgeous from here. And then I returned to our base camp. On the way, I visited Nag Tibba temple. Then I went to my base camp in 10 am in the morning. And here I took the lunch and went for the Pantwari village in afternoon and ended my trip here. So guys, thanks for watching. And if you like my video, please like the button and subscribe my channel and share it with your friends.